Okay, welcome back with another video. Today video is really interesting to the users who is interesting to purchase the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I would like to discuss some three major problems, big issues, big problems in the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Before going or taking any steps further, you should worry. You should know these things. Then you can go. That's all. Then you can go and follow up. Okay, the first major issue is 3x zoom blur. You will face the problem in the camera of Galaxy S20 Ultra 3x zoom camera blur issue. Many users reported blurry photo while using the 3x telephoto zoom, especially in low light. Samsung confirmed it was a software bug and released a patch update to improve it. Oh, really, that is the problems S26 Ultra. Okay, let me see the images and make a proper images, light light view for you, so you can easily understand the images pictures of S26 Ultra and users report which is resolved non-issue. Samsung Galaxy report user report X26 Ultra 3x zoom camera blur photos when using the telephoto zoom, particularly in low light conditions. Samsung confirm a bug, uh, software bug and were release patch. Okay, another issue is the heating and thermal issue which is really noticeable and for the gamer users and 4K video watchers interesting to use the smart S26 Ultra and face the problem that is the thermal issue and heating and thermal noticeable overheating during gaming camera recording AI processing and charging warm and concern around the camera and under heavy use and it is monitoring and Samsung Galaxy team is monitoring this issue because they will release another major update that will be the S27 Ultra, maybe S27 Ultra release date. Let me see. Oh, okay, it will be late in the 2027. It will be in the starting of 2027. Current smartphone that is S26 Ultra and battery drain problem still investigating under. Okay, abnormal power consumption reported after recent Samsung AI core update. Background AI services and apps are the likely case on affected device, and you understand the problem if you have planned to purchase to follow up S26 Ultra, but you are worrying about these problems, major issues, that problem, and you can try. But one of them has been resolved, and second is monitoring, third is under investigations. This is the simple guidelines I discussed with you, and first is 3x zoom camera blur, AI camera blur, and heating thermal and battery drain problem. This is a recent issues when the S23 Galaxy Ultra launched. Okay, friend, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. I think there you got the point of what I am trying to discuss. Thank you so much for watching.